In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize an object or a frame proportionally in Figma the fast and easy way. If you've ever tried to resize something and ended up stretching text, distorting shapes, or messing up the layout, this is the fix you need. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to scale everything uniformly so your design stays clean and consistent. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Figma tips just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your Figma file and select the object or frame you want to resize. This can be a shape, a grouped element, a frame, or even a full section of your design. Now here's the key step. Press the K key on your keyboard to turn on the scale tool. As soon as the scale tool is active, you'll notice that Figma is ready to resize the selected item proportionally instead of just stretching it normally. This is really useful when you want to keep the original design intact while making it bigger or smaller. Once the scale tool is on, move your cursor to any corner of the object or frame. Click and drag one of the corner handles to resize it. Because you're using the scale tool, Figma will scale everything together uniformly. That means inner text, strokes, images, shadows, and other visual details will all resize in proportion with the object. This is what makes the scale tool different from regular resizing. If you use the standard resize handles without scaling, some parts may not behave the way you want. Text might stay the same size, borders may look too thick or too thin, and the entire design can start to look off. But when you use K and drag a corner, everything stays balanced. This is especially helpful when you're working on components, icons, buttons, banners, or any design element that needs to maintain its original look at different sizes. You can also use this method on frames when you want the whole layout to scale together. Just remember to select the frame first, press K and drag from a corner to get the proportional result. If you need a more precise adjustment, keep an eye on the size as you drag and stop when it looks right. Figma makes it very easy to see the updated dimensions in real time, so you can scale confidently without guessing. This shortcut is one of those small workflow tricks that can save you a lot of time, especially if you're constantly adjusting design sizes for presentations, mock-ups, or responsive layouts. So just to recap, select your object or frame, press to activate the scale tool, and then click and drag any corner to resize proportionally. That will scale text, strokes, and images together in one smooth step. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Figma tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.